Alright everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having a good Sunday morning. We're taking a look at yesterday's chart where we have Tropical Storm Rafael in the Gulf and then a big question mark going right up to the center of the country, basically over northern Texas. Look at what they sprayed on us yesterday. This was a multi-state situation that took place, hundreds of airplanes and probably thousands of different lines. You can see them clear as day right here, all getting poured in to this counterclockwise spinning low pressure system that was responsible for the record snow in Colorado and has been bringing that smoky air from California all over the US. Not to mention we caught them spraying over Area 51 and then dumping it over Southern California, which in turn made those fires worse. But that was a separate video. What we're focusing on here is this top western edge of this low pressure system with all the lines going into it. These water vapor trails. We all know what these really are, and it's clear as day what's going on. This is saturated now with these particles, which means wherever this moisture goes, so are those particles. Whatever's in them is getting dropped all over the place. Sometimes if you walk outside where it hasn't rained, or even if it has rained but it's dried up, and you rub your finger along your car, all that dust, you can actually take a magnet to it and it'll pull a lot of that off your finger because that's the metal inside of these clouds. And no, my friends, this is not being made up. Look into this. It's unbelievable. Thank you all so much. A lot more to come today. Take care. Bye-bye. We are looking at Area 51. As these fires are going on in Southern California, they are laying something over Area 51. It's then being shot by the NEXRAD radar system. You can see that clear as day right here. It is then expanding and being dropped right over Southern California. And then take a look at what happens to Area 51. This is totally insane. This is not normal, and this is not birds or bugs. I can promise you that. There is something very odd going on with the military or something that's taking place in Area 51 and then being dropped in the sky, which is then carried over by the jet stream or some sort of wind pattern into Southern California. I talked about this yesterday when we predicted these wildfires based on a northwest anomaly that we saw, again from the NEXRAD radar system, which then led to insane wildfires in Ventura County. Now we are seeing more and more of this being dumped over Area 51 and then flows into Southern California. What is going on here? And then look at how the NEXRAD towers go absolutely berserk. There is no chance that this isn't related, my friends. This is now 2 days in a row we have captured this happening over Area 51 and flowing down into Southern California, exactly where these wildfires are. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.